So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to rewrite your notes with AI in the Notes app. So if I just want to rewrite notes, I'll just go ahead and make it a little bit larger so you guys get the concept of what we're doing here. But let's just say I wanted to, I don't know, my name is John, and I like my dog, and I like my cat, and I want to be a firefighter when I am older, and yes. That's my wonderful sentence. Now, if you want to rewrite this and you want to use AI to your advantage, it's pretty simple. I want you guys to highlight the text that you want to rewrite. Go to this top bar, select this option right here that says Show Writing Tools. It'll then bring up to this place right here where you can go ahead and press Rewrite. So if I were to go ahead and press Rewrite right here, it's going to go ahead and rewrite it and also show you what it's done. So my name is John and I love my dog and my cat. I want to be a fighter when I'm older. And yes, that's the exact rewrite, which is great. You can go ahead and you can kind of rewrite it this way. So you can go ahead and press it again. It'll go ahead and change it. You can also revert it back to normal. Now, if this isn't showing for you guys here, go to the top left, press Edit, go down to Writing Tools, and then go to where it says Rewrite. You can go ahead and do it this way. You can also go ahead and play with the tone and stuff like that. So once again, if I were to go back here, Writing Tools, make friendly, make professional, etc., I can make friendly. It's going to go ahead and rewrite it. If this looks good, go ahead and press done. And it basically rewrites your thing that way. So super cool, super awesome. But that is how to rewrite your notes with the help of AI in the Notes app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.